What's the meaning of bar snack? Bar snack. Bar snack.
Bar snack. Bar snack. A bar snack is a type of food that is typically served in bars, pubs, and other similar establishments alongside alcoholic beverages. These snacks are usually small, easy to eat with one hand, and designed to be consumed quickly. Examples of bar snacks include nuts, pretzels, popcorn, chips, and other finger foods. Bar snacks are often salty or savory in flavor, which can encourage customers to order more drinks. Some bars also offer more substantial options like sandwiches, burgers, or hot dogs as bar snacks. Overall, bar snacks are a popular and convenient way for customers to satisfy their hunger while enjoying a drink or socializing with friends.